Hey guys, today I want to do the unboxing of the Denon Music Maniac MM400. This is reference quality over-ear headphones. These are $400 on Amazon, and they're kind of they're closed over-ear headphones. So if you guys would like to have good audio quality while traveling, like on a plane or a bus or train, and I think these are pretty good. These are going to be replacing my Sennheiser Momentums, so I really have high hopes for this. These get good reviews on Amazon, I believe. Okay, reference quality over your headphones, and here is some of the features you can see here. North American walnut is on this headphone. As a lot of people like to have wood on their musical instruments or their audio equipment because both it adds class, looks good, and some believe it promotes sound quality or fidelity on these products, so that's always nice. Aluminum die-cast hair increases durability, decreases mechanical vibration. Okay, that might be marketing talk. Not sure about the validity of that. And 40mm carbon paper composite diaphragm with free edge drivers. That's like marketing jargon, I believe. Professionally tuned. Yeah, okay. I'm pretty sure these are neodymium magnets, I think. If they're just traditional coils, right? These are traditional dynamic headphones. They're not like electrostatic, they're not planar dynamic or anything. So alright, auction free, copper cable, contemporary European design, and Denon's a Japanese company. I like how they use European design here. Carrying pouch, detached cable, audio cable. Okay, let's see what's in the box here. How do we open this one up? Is this one where you not sure. They don't give you a good indication of how to open this. Is this one? Oh, hold on. We need to break this open first. Alright, these have been broken open. I'm going to push it out. Push out the box like this. And, okay, Denon, let's show me what you got. Ooh, these are pretty nice. Very, very classy looking headphones, guys. Denon, you have this nice walnut finish right here. It's wood. Is it real? I hope so. I hope this is real wood and not fake wood. Anyways, pretty nice. Headbands, nice strong headbands, and twisty cups right here. Alright, let's see. Get good focus on this, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Alright. Twisty cups. Pretty adjustable up to here, I guess. Alright. So these are the Denon Music Maniacs. The $400 ones, MM400s. I guess that's what they're called. And what else is in the box? Let's see. Ooh, we have a really nice package here. Okay, we have carrying case, which is a nice cloth carrying case, right? Alright, and we have another 3.5mm here, and adapter for the 1/4 inch. It's okay, so cool. You have a nice carrying pouch. It's not quite as good as the Sennheiser Momentum. I'll show you guys the Sennheiser Momentums I got. Oh wait, I mean this is what the Sennheiser Momentums come with. This huge carrying case bag here, and it comes with, you know, all these cables, adapters, and everything. Even an airplane adapter jack. So I like this is a much better carrying case than that cloth bag for sure. I think Sennheiser put a lot of effort into this one, and Denon instruction manual here. Okay, but other than that, you can compare the headphones here. These are Sennheiser Momentums, and compare these two. I mean, they're both really nice headphones, really nice over-ear closed headphones. But I like this finish a little bit better. I like walnut, I like wood. Being a guitarist, I really like, you know, acoustic vibrations and stuff like that. So, yeah, let me try this. Sennheiser Momentums, first of all. are really nice for the price. They're still good value. You can get like 200 for 200 bucks. You can probably get these. Really comfortable and really good audio quality. These ones are 400 bucks, double the value. I mean, double the money. So I expect these to be better sounding and better comfort as well. Yep, and putting them on, I think they're pretty comfortable too. Although I haven't tested it for long periods of time, and I probably have to burn these ones in after. After a long listening session, so I have yet to give my verdict about the sound quality of these. I had to burn them in. But yeah, from the outside, it looks pretty nice. Nice finish here. So these are the Denon Music Maniacs MM400 Sennheiser Momentums. These ones are probably like double the price. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to try these guys out because they definitely look really, really cool and classy. So anyways, guys, that's the Denon MM400 over-ear headphones. Okay, and pretty good. Traveling on trips and stuff, you can carry one of these, or the Sennheiser Momentums, which are also really nice, but come with a much better carrying case than that cloth bag. Look how big that is. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching, guys.